Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. Let's take a look at the euro versus US dollar to start the trading week. We are extending to new session highs as I speak. What has that done to the technicals after last week's sell-off and the last, 1, 2, 3 weeks of sell-offs in this currency pair? Let's get started. All right, taking a look at the 4-hour chart. As mentioned, we have moved lower in 3 successive weeks with the price extending down to a low price last week of 1.03322. That came after a 3-week decline from 109.359. So a large move to the downside, and rightfully so. The euro versus US, the euro economy is much weaker than the US economy, and that has forced the price to the downside, not only over the last 3 weeks, but also going all the way back to October here. So a big move to the downside for this pair. So having said that, there is the opportunity for a corrective move to the upside, and that's what we've seen in trading here today. The price closed right near the 1.0405 level on Friday and gapped higher in trading this week. The price highs that we initially saw in trading here today moved up to this swing area here just over the last few weeks, where we had a number of different swing lows and swing highs. We stalled in this area, rotated back down, and then based it before moving to the upside. That move to the upside has now taken the price above this swing area and also above this trend line right here, which cuts across near the 1.05, I guess it's around 22 area currently at the moment. As long as the price can remain above that level, that would be the best case scenario. Alternatively, we could see the price stay above the 105 level all the way down to 104.83 and still have the buyers maybe in play in the short term. It would be a disappointment on the break of the trend line here, but nevertheless, it would keep the buyers in play. On the top side, if you take a look at this move to the downside over the last 3 trading weeks, the 38.2% retracement comes in at 1.05628. And what I like to see is that the price can get above that 38.2% retracement. If we can't get above that 38.2% retracement, then are the buyers really winning? No, it's just a plain vanilla correction in what has been a more of a trend move to the downside. So this level right here is going to be key for the traders, not only today, but going forward on the top side. As long as the price can get above that level, that would open the door for further upside momentum. After that, we'd look up toward let's say this area right through here between 1.0592 and up to 1.06097. Note that in last week's trading, the price high, not once but twice, stalled against that level and pushed to the downside. So that's a key level. Taking a look at the daily chart, the move to the downside last week saw the price break below the 50% retracement level of the range since the 2022 low to the 2023 high. That 50% retracement came in at the 1.04053, and as you can see, the price is back above that level. That's more bullish for this pair. We're also up now, testing the high of this swing area through here. This swing area is defined by a number of different swing lows and swing highs going back in time. And this low right here, this low right here, here. This is where it all started right here. We came down to that level and fell below the level briefly here and then reestablished support against the swing area here before moving to the upside. It wasn't until last week that, or a couple weeks ago, I should say, that the price came back into that swing area, fell below it in trading last week, and now trading back in this swing area. That high of the swing area comes in at 1.0533. Get above that level, increases the bullish bias for this pair and has traders looking toward that 38.2 on the hourly chart and other upside targets, including maybe the broken 38.2% retracement right here, which happened to also be near these lows going back to the month earlier this year, March or April time period. So there you have it, a detailed look at the euro versus US dollar. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune to trading. Bye-bye now.